So whenever I play that music, I will already know who is lip sync. Okay? If they are doing the lip sync, it's possible that they are hearing the music. Okay? So I watch their lips. And if I say, oh my God, I got 6 out of 20 moving their lips, success story there. Okay? I'm making people move and hear the music. Now comes step 2. Step 2 is I play another music. Okay? So usually a caregiver lady, I would say, help me test their reaction. I offer my hand, you're not doing anything. You're not doing anything, right? You're just looking at you move. Okay? So I don't touch their hand. I just reach out and they do, okay? And then I said, I'll come back to you. And you're excited, you get up. You get up, right? And I said, no, no, no. And then I asked the caregiver, is she allowed to get up? Yes? Because if they say no, very dangerous, then I said, I'm sorry, you have to go down, okay? Wait, I'm giving you 3 scenarios. Jack still doesn't pay attention. Contact, yes. Too excited. The main star, by the time I hit this song, this is where the main theme, okay? So I reach out like that. You're on a wheelchair, right? She said, can I get up? Pwede ba daw siya tumayo? Okay? This is the main thing that I told you about. She belongs to the HCW. Okay? She's the hospice. She came from the hospice unit. Okay? And then, typically, nakatatlong tugtog na, and she won't let me go. And then you could see the tears coming from her eyes. Okay? And then usually I will say, can I have my finger ready? Because she won't let me go. She wants me to keep dancing and dancing and dancing. Which proved that even people on their way out of this world still wants to feel the music. So that's why I said we need to dedicate time for them. Okay? Now, of course, Jane, si secret friend ako, couldn't wait. So now, as soon as I play another song, you just dance on your own. You just dance on your own, okay? Without even waiting for me. You won't let me go, right? Yeah, let's go. And then of course they said somebody needs to help me dance with the attorney because she likes to dance. Wait, Ali, you're the assistant caregiver. No? Okay. Dance with the attorney. No, you have to go around. You have to go around. Oh, it's a miracle. You're the wheelchair. You're the wheelchair. So that's the 4 kinds of residents that I deal with. And then after that, when everybody's involved and this and that, then I said, okay, everybody has have a party now, okay? So now everybody has to do this now because even the other residents are moving and following. So let's do one.